So the theorem that we are going to look is PA into PB is equal to PT square. Let us try to prove this theorem, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you have a circle, you have a point P outside, you have a secant AB, PAB, and you have a tangent, okay? Let this be PT. So to be showed is PA into PB is equal to PT square. It's also very easy to show. Construction, join TB and TA. Can you do this? Now also you have triangles. So take triangle PAT, okay, and triangle PTB. Smaller triangle and the bigger triangle. Can you do this? Can you take these two triangles?
Yes, sir.
So angle P is common. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Angle P is common. Now I can say that this angle is equal to this angle. ध्यान दे दीजिए. This angle is equal to this angle. Actually, this is a theorem which we are going to deal in the next theorem. This is a statement which we are going to prove in the next theorem. ध्यान दे दीजिए. The next theorem will be the angle between the tangent and a chord. PT is a tangent, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The angle between the tangent and a chord will be equal to the angle in the alternate segment. That is the theorem which we are going to prove in the next theorem. Okay? अभी के लिए आप क्या करिएगा? Let us assume that this theorem is known. Okay? Theorem क्या है? What is the theorem that we are going to see? Angle between, बोलिए, angle between a tangent and a chord
Chord.
is equal to the angle in the alternate segment.
Segment.
Okay?
सेगमेंट बोले तो कॉर्ड और आर्क ना.
हाँ, ये एक्चुअली काम करते हैं. Let us first prove the theorem and come back here.
यस सर, वही
Better है ना?
करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
So let us go to that theorem. Theorem क्या है देखिए? Angle between, देख लीजिए, angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Okay, this is the theorem. So you have a circle. Okay, you have a point P and you have a tangent here. Okay, and from P you have drawn a chord PQ. Okay, what is the angle between the tangent and the chord? This angle, yes or no?
यस सर.
देखिए आप ध्यान से देखिए, ये वाला एंगल भी है, yes or no? The angle on the other side, the angle on the other side is also the angle between the chord and the tangent, yes or no?
यस सर.
So angle between the tangent and a chord, it can be this or this, yes or no?
यस सर,
Yes,
दोनों.
sir.
So there are two options. The angle can be on that side or on this side, right? So what does the theorem say? The angle in the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. इसका मतलब है, the meaning is, if you take this angle, the smaller angle, the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. That means you have to go to this side. समझ आ रहे? क्योंकि इस तरफ वाला एंगल चाहिए तो आप इस तरफ जाना पड़ेगा। क्लियर? ऑल्टरनेट का मतलब समझ आ रहे? एंड इफ यू वांट दिस एंगल, ये जो डॉटेड एंगल चाहिए, तो if you want that dotted angle, then you have to go to which side? You have to go to this side. Yes or no? This is also a segment. एक है major segment, एक है minor segment, है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you want this angle, you have to go on to this
The
side.
minor.
Segment.
समझ में आ रहा है? So the
sir.
smaller angle will be equal to the angle in the major segment. The bigger angle will be equal to the angle in the minor segment. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the theorem that we are going to look at. Okay?
सर हम लोग कोई भी केस ले सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, कोई भी, मतलब एक tangent. So दोनों प्रूव नहीं करूंगा मैं. I'll not prove all of this. Okay? So let me just prove the basic theorem, smaller angle theorem. Okay? Okay? So I need to prove that this angle is equal to this angle in the alternate segment. Okay? So let us take some names. P, Q, R, S, T. Okay? So what is to be shown?
सर एंगल T.
Angle TPQ is equal to angle PRQ. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how do we prove this? So let us take a construction. So construction is draw a diameter through P. Draw a diameter of circle through P. Okay? So what is the meaning of diameter? It has to pass through the center, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us take O as the center. O is the center. Okay? So let us draw the diameter. Draw here.
Yes,
Let the diameter be, which letter is left out? A. Okay, let the diameter be PA. Okay? Clear? And join AQ. Can you join this?
Yes, sir.
Can you join AQ? Yes. Okay. Now first, proof देखिए. Let's take the proof. So let us take this angle. Let us take this angle as alpha. Okay. The required angle alpha, and let us take this angle as beta. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
So effectively, what should you prove? You have to prove that this is also equal to alpha, right? Angle PRQ is also equal to alpha. That's what you need to prove, right?
Yes, sir.
So first, देखिए, let us take this angle as gamma. Okay. Let us take angle PRQ as gamma. So what is to be proved?
Sir,
Alpha is equal to gamma.
Alpha is equal
Yes or no?
to gamma.
So first देखिए, first block.
Yes.
If this is angle gamma, this is also angle gamma. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Angles in the same segment.
Angles in the same segment. Clear? Next. This angle is 90 degrees. Why? Why is angle Q 90 degrees?
Sir, angle in a semicircle.
Angle in a semicircle.
Semicircle.
Okay. So if angle Q is 90 degrees, beta plus gamma is equal to how much?
Sir,
Sir, 90 degree.
Beta plus gamma should be equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no? Second, alpha plus beta is also equal to 90 degrees. Why is this? Alpha plus beta is also equal to 90 degrees. Why is this? Because the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Yes or no?
सर वीडियो पॉज हो गया.
PA,
अभी हो रहा है सर. ठीक है.
the diameter PA is passing through the center. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means PO is the radius. right?
Yes,
So radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. ये तो पहला theorem है ना circles का.
sir.
Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So alpha plus beta
Yes,
is
sir.
also equal to
Yes, sir.
90. So if you subtract this, alpha minus gamma is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to gamma. Proof हो गया?
हाँ
हाँ
सर.
sir.
Easy लग रहा
Sir,
है?
इसका proof easy.
ये देखिए, it's not very difficult. Basic theorem. But you need to remember this. What is the theorem? Angle between the tangent and chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Alternate का मतलब समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Opposite.
Okay, opposite. If the angle is on one side, you have to go to the other side. Clear?
Yes, sir.
सर सेगमेंट मतलब वही होता है ना सर, कॉर्ड एंड आर्क, कॉर्ड एंड कोरस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क.
क्या है बेटा?
सर सेगमेंट मतलब क्या होता है, कॉर्ड और उसका कोरस्पॉन्डिंग आर्क ना.
हाँ, segment means that area. A chord divides a circle into two parts. One segment, the other segment. ये तो areas में देखा है ना? Segment का मतलब क्या होता है? If you have a chord AB, this is one
Sir, we
segment.
can say that area
This
enclosed
is one
by a
segment which is
chord
called the minor segment.
and a arc.
The other one is the major segment. Okay?
यस सर. ओके.
Clear? So using this theorem, we can prove the previous theorem. So shall I go back to the previous theorem?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So can I apply the previous theorem in this situation? Hey, you have PT is a tangent, yes or no? PT is a tangent and TA is a chord, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the angle between the tangent and the chord, and it should be equal to the angle in the alternate segment, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this green angle should be equal to this green angle. P is common, okay? And the remaining angle should be equal, yes or no? So
Yes,
this
sir.
angle, purple angle will be equal to which angle? थोड़ा सा देख के बोल सकते हैं purple angle किससे equal होगा?
Sir, angle BTA.
ATB.
Angle
Sir, ATB.
ATB.
ATB गलत है.
सर पीटीबी.
हाँ, PTB से बराबर होगा.
BT. Yes,
This
sir.
angle. क्योंकि ध्यान से देख लीजिए, this is very crucial here. Let us draw the two triangles separately and see. So if you take PTA, it is looking something like this. Yes or no? PTA is looking something
Yes,
like
sir.
this. PTB is looking something like this. Yes or no? This P is same as this P. And this B is same as this A. This B is same as this angle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what are the remaining angles? This angle A will be same as this bigger angle, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you have confusion, a simple method is to draw the two triangles separately. So if you draw two triangles separately, it will be very easy to understand. Okay.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So once these two triangles are similar, so what can I say? So take the first green angle. What is the side opposite to green angle in the smaller triangle? PA. Okay. What is the side opposite to green angle in the bigger triangle? In the bigger triangle PTB, what is the angle opposite to the green angle? What is the side opposite to the green angle?
Sir, PT.
PT.
Sir,
Okay,
PT.
is equal to.
Yes, sir.
Now let us take the purple angles. In the smaller triangle, what is the side opposite to the purple angle?
Sir,
PT.
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 Sir,
By.
PT.
In the
PT
bigger
into
triangle,
by PB. By
Sir,
PB.
PB.
by PB. Okay,
Sir, BP.
PB or BP. So if you cross multiply this, what are you getting? PA into PB is equal to
PT square.
P square. Okay.
PT square. Yes, sir.
So these are the extra theorems that you have, which you don't have in your board syllabus. So all theorems are clear.
Yes,
मतलब
sir. Now.
Yes, sir.
वो सर क्या बोलते हैं सीक्वेंस वाइज बैठाना इसमें नेम बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ना
क्या है बेटा?
मतलब एपी के लिए सीपी ही रखना होगा डीपी के लिए बीपी ही रखना होगा ऐसा नेमिंग बहुत जरूरी है ना
हाँ हाँ, मतलब when you prove the two triangles are similar, corresponding angles जो है उसका track रखना पड़ेगा. Okay.
यस सर ठीक है
So that is very important. You have to keep track of which angles are equal to which angles in the other triangle. Okay.
यस सर ठीक है सर
So that completes the theory of your circles chapter. Okay, let us do 1 or 2 questions and leave for today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first question. Okay. So there are two circles, one circle and the second circle. So there are two common tangents. Okay. P dash is the first common tangent. Q dash is the second common tangent. You have to show that P dash is equal to Q dash. Can you show this? Can you show this?
हाँ सर वो रेडियस के साथ ज्वाइन करना होगा
Let us do some construction. So let us take the centers C dash and C. Let us join the centers. Let us draw the radii. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir. Both the lines are equidistant
So
from
this
the
angle
center.
is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. But directly you cannot prove that PP dash is equal to QQ dash from this construction. You need one more construction. What is it? Because you don't have triangles right now.
सर पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना होगा
From P,
What common triangle?
from P, draw a line parallel to CC dash. Okay. And here also you draw a line parallel to CC dash. Okay. So let these two points be P, Q, R, and S. Okay. So now
सर
this
क्या
is
किया सर कंस्ट्रक्शन सर पैरेलल
from P, draw a line parallel to CC dash. Okay. From P, draw a line parallel to CC dash. Okay. And from Q also, draw a line parallel to CC dash. So what happens when you do this? When you do this, you got some triangles here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in these two triangles,
Yes, sir.
what can you say? These two triangles. First, this is a parallelogram. C dash RP, C dash SQ. Are these two parallelograms? Are these two parallelograms?
यस सर
Okay. because these two are parallel to each other. क्योंकि 90
Opposite sides
90
are parallel.
both the sides are parallel to each other. Okay, so this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, right? All the three sides PR, CC dash and QS are equal. Yes or no? So all the three sides are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Hypotenuse is same. Right angle is there. You have to
Sir,
show that
RHS.
one more
RHS.
angle is one more side is same, right? So can you say that SQ dash is equal to this?
Yes, sir, हो
क्योंकि
जाएगा.
SQ dash is capital R minus smaller, right? Because if this is smaller, this is also smaller. Capital R. This is capital R minus smaller, right?
Yes, sir.
So here also you have the same figure smaller. This is capital R. So this is capital R minus smaller, right?
Yes, sir. ठीक है.
So the third side is equal to the third side. Hypotenuse is same. Side is same. And you have an angle 90 degrees in both the triangles. Hence the triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. Hence
Yes, sir.
PP dash is equal to QQ dash. Okay.
ठीक है, sir.
Shall I go to the next question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So next question. This is also a very simple question. You have a circle. You have drawn two tangents, PQ and PR. Okay. Have drawn two tangents, PQ and PR. This angle is 60 degrees. O is the center. What is this angle?
120.
Sir, 120 होगा.
Yes, sir.
120. Easy है? Is this an easy question?
हाँ, sir.
हाँ,
Easy है.
sir.
Why is this 120? Because these two angles are 90, 90. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if this angle is 60, this has to be 120 degrees. Clear? So can you say that if a question is asked like this, P is any external point? So you have drawn two tangents PQ and PR. So can you prove that PQOR is cyclic?
हाँ, sir. Opposite angle 180.
Yes, sir.
Can you see
Opposite
this?
angles
Yes,
180.
sir.
So if you take any point P, PQOR will always be a cyclic quadrilateral, okay? Because the sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पर सर साइक्लिक तभी ना होता है सर जब सर्कल्स पे चारों पॉइंट लाई करता है.
But it's not necessary that you have a circle. If the sum of opposite sides is 180, the quadrilateral will become cyclic. That means you can draw a circle.
यस सर. ठीक
ऐसी
है.
जरूरत नहीं कि सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के बाद ही वो साइक्लिक बनेगा. If a quadrilateral is cyclic, it means that you can draw a circle through all the 4 points. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And that will only be possible if the sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. And this condition works in both directions. If it is cyclic, then the sum of opposite angles is 180. If the sum of opposite angles is 180, then the quadrilateral will become cyclic. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So let us stop here for today. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
meet in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
beta.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, सबको.
Bye, sir. Good night,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Good night,
Bye,
sir.
beta.
Good night, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.